back on Tom's Pontiac. It's been a busy few days. I worked on it all day Monday. This is Wednesday. Tom and I got the console all in. We worked together on that. Console's in, 8 tracks in, Ashtray is in, column is completely buttoned up and in, down at the bottom. Got the filler panel on the driver's side done. We had a big issue with our auxiliary and sounding very tinny. So I made a few phone calls, got a lot of questions I had to ask down there at S&M Electrotech. So it ends up, it was a grounding issue because all of our devices we were using, iPods, iPads, iPhones, Android phones, whatever, they were all battery operated, so they didn't have a ground. So I said, let's, without sending it back to S&M Electrotech and having it cost another $800 to put Bluetooth in it, we'll put the Bluetooth dongle, which worked fine, and then it didn't. So I have one of these. I use it all the time in the garage, in the Cadillac, all kinds of places. When I was using mine to test, I had it plugged into my charger to keep it going. So that was our main issue, is I was trying to charge it, or I was using it and charging it, and it was coming out fine. So when I got this one here and plugged it just in the auxiliary, we were back to the same tinny sound. So I got on the phone with Greg at S&M Electrotech, and he said, it's gotta be something not grounding. So into the auxiliary cables under the dash, I ran a wire and just grounded it to the 8-track. And sure as hell, everything worked fine. So now that we have this plugged into the charger, I've also integrated, which is gonna be in the center console, a dual USB that's keyed. It's gonna be all tucked in and hidden in there. So that'll always be on the charger when it's running in the car. So it'll always have a ground. So we'll always have the correct sound. But holy hell, it's coming along. But that was very interesting little detail. I gotta finish this. I gotta pull the dash pad back off, put the courtesy light in, get it wired and operating correctly. Then we can put the dash pad on, finalize that. We're really, really close. Also, I added this hole. I'm getting an extension for our auxiliary cable there. So it'll all be in the console. And there's another port in that USB. Tom can charge his phone.